Welcome to Koyilandy, a serene town nestled on the Malabar coast of Kerala, India. Today we venture into this tranquil coastal town, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Our exploration begins on the shores of Koyilandy, where the rhythmic ebb and flow of the Arabian Sea create a symphony of tranquility. The gentle lapping of the waves against the shore is like nature's lullaby, soothing the soul and calming the mind. Each wave that kisses the sand seems to carry away the worries of the world, leaving behind a sense of peace and serenity. Koyilandy Beach, a haven of golden sands, stretches before us, fringed by swaying coconut palms. These palms, standing tall and proud, seem to dance with the wind, their leaves rustling in a harmonious melody. The beach is not just a sight to behold, but a sanctuary for those seeking solace and a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Further north lies Payoli Beach, another jewel in Koyilandy's crown. This beach, with its expansive coastline, offers a different kind of beauty. The waves here are a bit more playful, crashing against the shore with a vigor that is both invigorating and mesmerizing. Here, pristine sands meet azure waters in a breathtaking panorama. The clarity of the water is such that one can see the tiny fish darting about, playing hide-and-seek among the rocks and corals. It's a perfect spot for those who love to immerse themselves in nature's wonders. Hermit crabs scurry across the shoreline, leaving intricate trails in their wake. These tiny creatures, with their delicate movements, add a touch of life to the serene beach. Watching them, one can't help but marvel at the wonders of nature and the intricate balance of life. Seabirds soar overhead, their calls echoing across the waves. Their graceful flight and the way they dive into the water to catch fish is a sight to behold. These birds, with their freedom and grace, remind us of the beauty of the natural world and the simple joys it offers. As the sun begins its descent, the beaches of Koyilandy transform into a canvas of breathtaking beauty. The golden hues of the setting sun cast a magical glow over the sands, making everything look ethereal. It's a moment of pure magic, where the sky and the sea seem to merge into one. The sky erupts in hues of orange, pink and purple, reflecting off the tranquil waters. This vibrant display of colors is nature's way of bidding the day goodbye, and it's a sight that leaves one in awe. The reflections on the water create a mirror image, doubling the beauty and making the moment even more mesmerizing. This is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing us to reconnect with the natural world. The serene environment, the calming waves, and the breathtaking views make it a perfect escape from the chaos of everyday life. Here, one can truly appreciate the beauty of nature and find a sense of inner peace. Beyond the sun-drenched shores, Koyilandy's allure extends inland, where a network of serene backwaters and rivers weave through the landscape. The Kotur River, a lifeline of the region, meanders through lush greenery. Traditional houseboats glide gracefully along the water, offering a unique perspective of the surrounding beauty. Palm trees line the banks, their fronds dipping towards the water's edge. Kingfishers, with their vibrant plumage, perch on overhanging branches. Water lilies add splashes of color to the tranquil scene. The backwaters of Koyilandy offer a sanctuary for the soul, a place to reconnect with nature. Venturing inland from the tranquil waterways, we find ourselves immersed in Koyilandy's rich tapestry of flora and fauna. This region, nestled in the heart of Kerala, is a living canvas painted with the hues of nature's bounty. The lush greenery that surrounds us is not just a feast for the eyes, but a sanctuary for countless species that call this place home. Dense coconut groves blanket the landscape, a testament to the region's tropical bounty. These towering trees with their swaying fronds provide not only sustenance but also a livelihood for the local communities. The coconuts harvested here are integral to the cuisine and culture of Kerala, making their way into a myriad of dishes and traditional practices. The air is thick with the scent of spices, a sensory reminder of Koyilandy's historical significance as a major trading hub. Walking through the bustling spice markets, one can almost hear the echoes of ancient traders who once bartered here, exchanging stories and goods from distant lands. The vibrant colors and intoxicating aromas of the spices are a testament to the rich cultural tapestry woven over centuries. Pepper vines climb gracefully up tall trees, their pungent berries a testament to Kerala's spice legacy. These vines, often referred to as black gold, have been a cornerstone of the region's economy for generations. The meticulous care taken in cultivating these plants is evident in the quality of the pepper produced, which is renowned worldwide for its flavor and potency. Malabar giant squirrels leap effortlessly through the canopy. These agile creatures, with their strikingly colourful fur, are a sight to behold. Their presence is a reminder of the rich biodiversity that thrives in these forests. Observing them in their natural habitat offers a glimpse into the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Exotic birdsong fills the air, a chorus of vibrant melodies. Each bird, with its unique call, contributes to the symphony of the forest. The sight of these colourful birds flitting through the trees is a testament to the health and vitality of this ecosystem. Birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts from around the world are drawn to Koyilandy to witness this avian spectacle. Butterflies flit from flower to flower, adding splashes of colour to the already vibrant landscape. These delicate creatures play a crucial role in pollination, ensuring the continued growth and diversity of the plant life here. Their presence is a beautiful reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things in this lush paradise. It is a privilege to witness such biodiversity, a reminder of the importance of preserving these precious habitats. The rich tapestry of life in Koyilandy is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. As we explore this verdant landscape, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect and conserve these natural wonders for future generations to enjoy. Leaving behind the coastal plains, our journey takes us eastward, where the landscape rises dramatically to meet the majestic Western Ghats. These ancient mountains form a breathtaking backdrop to Koyilandy's eastern horizon. A short distance from Koyilandy lies Wayanad, a hill station renowned for its breathtaking scenery. As we ascend into the highlands, the air grows noticeably cooler. Tea plantations paint a picture of tranquility and order. Waterfalls cascade down the mountain slopes, their thunderous roar a testament to the raw power of nature. The highlands surrounding Koyilandy are a haven for trekkers and nature enthusiasts. Our exploration of Koyilandy would be incomplete without delving into its rich cultural and historical heritage. The town's ancient temples stand as silent sentinels of a bygone era. The Koyilandy Sri Krishna Temple, a revered place of worship, stands as a testament to the town's spiritual heart. Intricate carvings adorn its towering gopuram, depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. Nearby, the Thiruvangur Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, beckons with its ancient charm. The Pisharikavu Temple, with its unique blend of Hindu and Islamic architectural styles, stands as a testament to the region's history of cultural harmony. These ancient temples are not merely places of worship, but living testaments to Koyilandy's enduring spirit. While Koyilandy embraces modernity, the heart of the town still beats to the rhythms of rural life. Nestled between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats, this town is a blend of the old and the new, where tradition and progress coexist harmoniously. The essence of rural life is palpable in every corner, from the bustling markets to the serene backwaters. Fishing, a cornerstone of Koyilandy's economy, is more than just an occupation, it's a way of life. The fishermen, with their weathered faces and strong hands, have stories to tell. Stories of the sea, of battles with nature, and of the camaraderie that binds them. Their boats, painted in vibrant hues, are a testament to their resilience and spirit. As dawn breaks over the Arabian Sea, colourful fishing boats set sail. The sight of fishermen casting their nets against the backdrop of a rising sun is both poetic and powerful. Each day begins with hope and hard work, as they venture into the vast expanse of the sea, seeking the bounty that sustains their families and the community. The day's catch will soon be enjoyed in homes and restaurants across the town. The fish markets buzz with activity as vendors call out their wares and buyers haggle for the freshest catch. In kitchens, the fish is transformed into delicious dishes, rich in flavour and tradition, bringing families together over hearty meals. Inland, lush paddy fields stretch as far as the eye can see. These fields are the lifeblood of the rural economy, providing sustenance and employment to countless families. The sight of golden grain swaying in the breeze is a reminder of the hard work and dedication that goes into every harvest. Farmers tend to their crops with care, their movements honed by generations of tradition. They work in harmony with the land, using techniques passed down through the ages. Their connection to the earth is profound, and their labor is a labor of love, ensuring that the fields remain fertile and productive. Spice plantations continue to thrive, a legacy of Koyilandy's historical significance. The air is filled with the rich aroma of cardamom, pepper, and other spices which have been cultivated here for centuries. These plantations are not just a source of income, but also a symbol of the region's rich cultural heritage. Families work together, harvesting the precious spices by hand. This communal effort strengthens bonds and preserves age-old traditions. The meticulous process of hand-picking ensures the highest quality, and the pride in their work is evident in every step of the harvest. The people's resilience and deep respect for nature are an inspiration. In Koyilandy, life moves at its own pace, guided by the rhythms of the land and sea. The community's connection to their environment is a testament to their enduring spirit and their commitment to preserving their way of life for future generations. Koyilandy's tropical climate dictates the rhythm of life. The town experiences distinct seasons, each with its own unique charm. The monsoon season brings life-giving rains that rejuvenate the parched earth. Rivers swell, waterfalls thunder, and the landscape transforms into a vibrant emerald green. As the monsoon recedes, it ushers in the post-monsoon season, a time of vibrant rebirth. Summer brings warm, sunny days, perfect for relaxing on Koyilandy's pristine beaches. The coconut palms sway gently in the breeze. Koyilandy embraces each season with its own unique charm. As our journey through Koyilandy draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of peace and tranquility. This hidden gem on the Malabar coast has captured our hearts and left an indelible mark on our souls. If you're seeking an escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life, then Koyilandy is calling. Come experience its magic for yourself.